Pictory AI Voice-Overs gives you options so you can create great-sounding videos. Hi there, I'm Adeline speaking in United States English, along with background music titled, Dreamers. Have a listen and then I'll give you more information about Pictory. Thinking about using Pictory AI? I've put together this video and others using the male and female English voices to help give you an idea of what they sound like. You are listening to Adeline, which is one of the most popular voices used by Pictory AI users. Crank out massive video content with Pictory AI. In the expansive landscape of video content creation, Pictory AI emerges as an innovative tool, ready to revolutionize your production process and redefine your content strategy. Harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, Pictory AI streamlines and elevates your video creation, paving the way for more efficient and high-quality outcomes. Pictory AI is not just a tool. It is a transformative platform that turns ideas into compelling video content. Its standout features are designed to cater to a variety of content creation needs. From automated video editing to intelligent content suggestions, Pictory AI is equipped to support every step of your content production. Why not crank out your content with Pictory? Try it for free. Then subscribe to an annual plan and save even more with my special 20% off coupon code, Passive Income News. Sign up with Pictory AI today and start your free trial. You'll be cranking out your first video in no time at all. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have an amazing day and thanks so much for watching.